The universe cards. Number 1. Asteroid. Independence. Interpretation. Each asteroid in the asteroid belt is an independent entity, some with individual names, yet each one shares the same orbit around the Sun. The asteroids are simultaneously interdependent and separate. This polarity between attachment and freedom is the essence of the asteroid card, number 1. We all need people in our lives. We all need a certain amount of stability, but we also need spontaneity and interdependence. If the asteroid card appears in a reading, it indicates that the dialectic between dependence and interdependence is being particularly activated in you. You may be feeling frustrated by life at the moment, and you have a longing to escape. Or, alternatively, you may feel that life is full of anxiety and insecurity, and you crave safety. Interdependence is frightening sometimes, as it implies separation and loneliness. Indeed, interdependence can be a lonely path, for we fear that by striking out on our own, we may leave others behind. While this may be true, it is also necessary for our own growth to stand alone in this way. However, we also need to acknowledge that we need safety and stability in our lives. Without a certain basic level of security, our ability to function effectively is undermined. We float from one thing to another, and often from one person to another, without committing to anything. We need solid ground to build upon. Finding the balance between a secure environment and our need for independence and adventure is the challenge of the asteroid card. This is not an either-or choice. The asteroid card calls for a balance between our basic security needs and the higher aspirations of the soul. Fundamentally, this card symbolizes a kind of growing up, a coming to maturity. It offers us the chance to bring our lives into balance in a sophisticated way, but to do this we must often face our deepest fears. Some people are afraid of freedom and risk. Others are afraid of commitment and dependence. Whichever side of the polarity frightens you the most is the one you need to work on.